Bakit may mga Kristiyano na natural mag-share ng gospel at may iba namang hindi? The answer is simple. Those who stay near God, share God. Psalms chapter 73 verse 28 says, "It is good to be near God." Kapag palagi kang malapit kay Lord, napupuno ka. At kapag puno ka, hindi mo mapipigilan ang overflow. Hindi mo kailangang pilitin. Hindi mo kailangang i-script ang sarili mo. Your life becomes a testimony. Your words become bold. Your heart becomes sensitive. Ganito ang nangyayari sa taong palaging near kay Lord. Mas mabilis silang pakinggan ang prompting ng Holy Spirit. Mas open sila sa divine appointments. Mas missional ang mindset nila. Mas may compassion sila sa souls. Because the closer you are to God, the more your heart beats like His. Ang ating tanong today, am I near enough to hear God's heartbeat for people? If you feel far, hindi huli ang lahat. God doesn't push you away, He pulls you near. Our challenge today, have a 5 minutes quiet moment. No music, no phone. Just breathe and say, "Lord, draw me near again." Then message one person and say, "Kamusta? I prayed for you." Connected people become overflowing witness.